Hey guys, it's HazardEdit here, and today I want to start a new tutorial series. Not just like last time with the Minecraft series, but okay, I thought I'm gonna do a HTML coding series. So in this part, I'm gonna show you the very basics of HTML coding. Yeah. So before we get started, you right click on your desktop and then you select create a text thing. So basically a txt file, and at the end you rename it to HTML, and then it asks something and you say yes, and then what you get is this file. You see I have Dreamweaver, but I'm not gonna use it for now. I'm gonna use Notepad++. It's a free text editor which you can download, and it's really handy to use, so it's really useful to have that. Okay, before we start, I need to clarify some things and then we can get started. I also want to say that I started this tutorial yesterday. I was about at part 3, but I thought that, well, it's a bit, the size of the screen was a bit wrong, and so it is not sharp when I render it, and then yeah, you know what I mean. So I'll be back soon. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the first tutorial. I already made this folder. There's one image inside which looks like that, and we're gonna use it in the first tutorial already. So you right click this, and after you installed Notepad++, you open it with Notepad++. The first sentence or the first line is gonna be filled by that. So this is actually what language you use for your HTML. It says HTML, HTML10, English, whatever. So you can read about it. I'm not gonna explain it to you. This whole thing will be copied in the description of the video, so I hope I don't forget it. If I forget, comment on the video and I'll fix this. Okay, so now we're gonna start. The second line is filled with the meta tags. The meta tags, before you post them, you post HTML, so everybody knows this is an HTML what comes after it. And you do the second line, and what the slash means is that this tab, this thing, so if I put it like this is HTML and this not. So this would not be HTML anymore. This is very important. So this is closing. So this means it starts right here, and this means, so this doesn't count for HTML or this particular tag. Not every tag has to be closed, but you have to know the ones that will be closed. Then you have the head tag. The head tag is what you don't see. Okay, you see one thing of them, but you don't see it usually in your, yeah, you don't see it on the screen like the body section. And what we type in the first line is meta, because the meta tags come here. HTTP, and then equif, and then you type content type. Okay, and then space content, what content you have, so text slash HTML, and then you do this, and then you put in this charset. So for me it's, or mostly it's Windows 12.51. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, like this. So at the end you can put the backslash. No, it's slash. It's the normal slash. I'm sorry. And then goes the second meta tag, and this one is for putting the outer. So you put basically your name. So HazardEdit, or if you would type a name, you can type Thomas or whatever. I'm gonna use HazardEdit. Slash again and close this. And then comes next meta tag, and it's about the description. This is good for like Google and stuff. So here will come your description of your website. Close this too, and then comes the keyword section, meta name, and there you go, keywords, and then content, and then you put the keywords. For example, this is a keyword. See? Okay, and don't forget to close this. And there's one option you can put on too. For example, you want to make the page refresh and visit another page. So for example, if you go to this page, then I wanted to HTTP I think it was refresh content. Yes, now comes the seconds, I guess. I'm gonna use 2 seconds, and then the URL. Mine will be http://youtube.com/HazardEdit. So if you get to this page, you will be redirected to HazardEdit. Okay, good. Then you what's left is put the title. So you type title, and I'll show you what it is. So for example, HazardEdit's homepage, and this is the tag you have to close. So if I'm gonna save this and open it in my browser, it will say here, oh, it redirected me. So we don't want that to act. I'll go back, for example, or yeah. If we don't want this to happen, we just do this, and then so this means it's a comment. We will use this as a comment because I don't want this to happen. Save it, and then come on. See, there is the title. HazardEdit's homepage. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. This was the head. Now there comes the body. In the body section, you type this, and you also close this like this, and then you can put text here. Now let's say this is a normal sentence text. Okay. Now, for example, we want a heading, and usually you do this. So it's easier to work with it. So we do a heading, and for the biggest size for a heading you use this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. H2, and we use the same closing. Oh my god, I forgot. You have to close this. So as I explained to you, this means that from here, so heading 1 starts to be heading 1, and then it stops right here after the 1, because there comes the closing tab. So your browser knows that this is the heading and not this full text. This is really important. And you type for heading 3, close again. There we go. So this is a normal text, okay? And below this we'll use U for underline text. U. We can use B for bold text. Bold text. Yes. B for bold text. What else does exist? I for italic text. And we also are able to add links. So for example, you can have like A and then href and then equals, and here you put the link. So http://youtube.com/HazardEdit. Okay, now you close this particular tag, and then you do the same like last time. For example, click and then close this. So this is one word that you click, so yeah, you know. And then click to be redirected to HazardEdit's YouTube YouTube channel. Okay. Easy, I hope. For example, we can bold this, and we can underline this, and then like this, and oh, in front of everything of this we can use div tags. So for example, first I save this, reload. So this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. This is italic text. If I click this, I will come to my channel page. Okay, good. Now, for example, we use a div tag, div to div to, for example, align the text in the middle, or yeah, center, close. You can also use it for styles, for example, style, color, and then you have RGB. For example, if we want red, then red is, for example, 200 and 0 and 0. Okay. So I actually forgot that you don't put the style inside the div tag. You put it to inside the A style. So usually I like to put A right like this. Oops. Don't forget to close the div. Let me so, and you close the A like this, and in the A you can put style. Oh my god, total fail. Style, and then oh shit, style, and then you put color, and then you can use RGB or color code. I'm gonna use RGB faggot. So, and then I wanna have a red one. Don't make it too red. 120 will be good. And save this, and then reload the page. First we see that's in the center because of style align center. You can also do it by pixels, so not just say center. We can also say right, and it will be on the right. Okay, and we have this cool color. Now, as you can see, we got this normal text and all this stuff. We got it all in one line. There's some methods to change the line. So for example, I can use the paragraph tag to move it. So this is one paragraph and the next one will be a new one, but paragraph has also to be closed. But I can also use the BR tag, the break tag. Okay, this one is one of the tags that has not to be closed, because it's like pressing enter in Word. Okay, so actually it's paragraph, but when the line is full it breaks it automatically. In HTML you can go all this way, so you would have to scroll a lot. So we can put BRs, and another good thing, you can put as many as you want. So like 3 there, 1 there, and 1 there, and of course 1 there. Okay, good. And now, for example, I want another color. A styler color. Now I'm gonna try to use a color code. For example, I'm gonna be using step 5 60. No, I'm gonna be using 65 like this. Yeah. Okay, save this. Wait. And then, for example, let me have the picture. Oh yes, I wanted the picture. This picture. And now I want to break it. I want to break it 2 times, 3 times. And then for the picture you do A, and then you do, no wait, you do image src, src, and then you put in where it is. So as you can see, this file is on the desktop. So usually, if it will be in the same folder, you just put the file name. It's named 1pjpg. So because it's on the desktop, I have to open this, and then I do slash. You can also put a link from another website, so because of copyrights and stuff, you can put it as an URL. Okay, you put slash, or I put 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, tutorial 1 slash, and then the file name. So 1jpg. Close. Now if I open this, yeah, the file doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Because I might have typed tutorial wrong. Oh, because it's a backslash, I'm sorry. It's a backslash. No? Why not? What's bad about this? It's called 1jpg. Image scr. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work. Wait, maybe have it like this. There we go. Okay, but let's say it's too big. First I want to align it on the left, and second, it is too big. Okay, so what do we do about being this thing too big? We can put the width to 640, for example, and the height, what the to 360. Now let's make it square. Now let's make it 360 square. Okay, there we go. Well, let's make it. Let's get off rid of this and put center. So here we go. You got all this, and yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. There will be more coming out soon. And yeah, I'm gonna put this into my tutorial 1 folder, and see you next time. Subscribe, rate, share, and don't forget to comment on questions, and yeah, to make me happy, to make me continue, you have to like and comment. And yeah, I hope I see you guys next time. See ya.